Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share my talent with you and we're going to make an ice cream cake. First, the ingredients. Chocolate bars, special mamon, all-purpose cream, crushed grey hams, and condensed milk. You're going to need a bowl in the mixer. Pour the all-purpose cream. And you will get the mixture and mix it until it becomes like a smoothie. And now let's put the condensed milk. And then mix it. And now we are going to arrange the mamon and the chocolate bars. And now we are going to put the all-purpose cream and condensed milk mix onto the mamon and chocolate bars that we've arranged. Now for the final touch, we will put the crushed grahams on our ice cream cake. And now we will put our ice cream cake on the chiller for 8 hours. And now, after 8 hours, the ice cream cake is already done. And I am your new chef, Hughneaty, Danny, Azaz, or Lord.